So, as per the statistics, 20 to 30% of Parkinson patients also have psychotic symptoms. But we know that Parkinson is a condition with lower dopamine levels. So, when we give any antipsychotic to treat Parkinsonism, it worsens the motor symptoms of Parkinsonism because it also blocks dopamine in the nigrostriatal pathway. So we have a drug which is non-dopamine antagonist and used to treat Parkinson psychosis. Its name is pimavanserin. Is an inverse agonist at 5-HT2A receptor. So it's not an antagonist at D2, rather it's an inverse agonist at 5-HT2A. Its mechanism of action is via inverse agonist of 5-HT2A. It alleviates the psychotic symptom, that is delusion or hallucination, without impairing the motor performance.